a major committee like foreign relations should be chaired by a member of the majority. Eh nung una, hindi naman namin ginalaw yun, originally na kay Senator Ivy Marcos yun. Hinayaan namin, thinking that later on, pwede naman pwede naman kami magkasama-sama. But apparently, things didn't work out that way. At ika nga mayroong mga importanteng mga treaties at saka agreements na nakapending doon na malaki ang concern ng mga members of majority. I can only speak for myself. I cannot speak for the other members if they thought of that when we
Mm.
discussed it last Monday in the majority caucus.
Mhm.
Um, I can only speak for myself. Sa akin, hindi. It has
Okay.
nothing to do with that.
Ayon kay SP Soto, matagal nang nagpapahayag ng interes si Senator Erwin Tulfo na pamunuan ng Senate Foreign Relations Committee. Pagtitiyak ni SP Soto, ipinaalam na ni Senator Mig Zubiri kay Senator Amy Marcos na papalitan ito sa pwesto at inalok na ring maging bahagi ng iba pang komite.